What is up, everybody? It's boy Limited Snipers back again with another video. Today, ladies and gentlemen, I am joined by my friend, my Roblox username's this. And if you want to be or friend me on Discord, my thing is King Pingu #8003. I will be more or less happy to friend you if I can. Today, ladies and gentlemen, we are playing some Roblox Jailbreak because I haven't uploaded in a while, and I'm sorry. I've mostly been busy, and I've been hacked a lot, so I kinda am on this account now. But otherwise, let's get right in to the video here, and let's just grab some guns here, and let's go grab the helicopter because we're going to do some trolling. And I think we should do some trolling just because, why not? I think we should do some trolling. And let me just get this trolling here. Okay. Do you have anything to say? My Roblox username's this. Make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on post notifications to be notified when I upload. Let's get this video to about 10 likes, and also smash that like button and comment down below what you think I should do for another video. Besides the point, guys, let's do some trolling right now, because we gotta find someone. Now, there's someone at the door. I feel like there's gonna be some people that are gonna be just going and trying to find us. So let's go find them, and we'll figure out what's going down. Bank robbery. I see. That's gonna be perfect for a trolling. Perfect trolling. Then perfect. Okay, let me just go down here. Police have entered the building. He's preferred. I'm good, man. Get out. I'm good. I'm a good cop, dude.
I can't do anything right now.
Bro, what the heck? Okay. Okay, let me just go this way and just get this. Let me get my helicopter, because I know there's a heli, and normally when there's a heli, you gotta get scared as a criminal when there's a helicopter. The blue means you're police, and the red means you're criminal, but I'm just police, so I'm gonna go into here. Troll. No. This is trolling episode 1 of Jailbreak. Oh, yeah. $1,000 bounty, let's go. Yay, troll. Let's troll some people. Yay, I'm trolling a lot of people, and that's really fun, because if you think about it, it's really fun, and I'm gonna leave Discord, so Discord call, because I'm not a troller, you're a noob. Nah, man. What? How the heck did I get shot down? I'm confused right now. I'm gonna move over here, get some. I'm good. Yeah, I'm good, man. Look, I'm good. Okay. If you hear my parents in the background, I'm sorry. I'm recording in a really loud background, but let me just get out. I'm going to do a /E dance 3. There we go. Look at that. Perfect. Do a little dance. Little celebration dance. Let's go see if someone's robbing the donut because
His car's older than that.
I feel like, let's see here. Okay, let me see if someone's robbing the donut. I don't think there is, but it's worth a check. Let's go in real quick. Nope, nobody's robbing it. Okay, let me just do some more trolling. I think I'll just stay around. Sorry, I haven't recorded in a while.
Trust me, you two will eat.
No, I haven't really recorded in a while, and I do say I'm sorry for not recording in a while. Let's just go see these people at hello. Hello, yes. Hello, sir.
Why will this trash can not go down? It's just been empty.
Oh. Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. La-la-la-la-lol. Whoa, no. Here we go. Well, I died, but oh well. I spawned back, beautiful as always. Ooh, basic cup car. Let's just grab that here. Just go here and yep. Yeah, might as well open some cases maybe. Should I? Yeah, maybe. I might end this video off a little bit sooner than I thought I would. Yeah, I might end this video off sooner. Once we hit 10 minutes in video, I'm gonna end it. But, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, comment down below what you think, and turn on post notifications to be notified when I upload. I'm gonna stop the video here, guys. Sorry it wasn't a really long video like I normally intended that I was gonna do, but, I will be posting more often. This is just a video to get out because I haven't uploaded in a while, so I know I haven't uploaded in a while, so this video is basically just to get that out of the way and to also upload. Thank you, and I love you guys so much, and we'll see you guys all next time. Bye!